I'll be with you, I will be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Tamsin, and today's video is on first impressions of two things I bought from Sephora: a lipstick which I've got on my lips, and the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. So if you are interested in the video or want to find out how I think about these products, keep on watching. I'm just going to put a little bit more on my finger of the Twilight and put it on the lid. This colour is really nice. Then I'm going to go with a little detailed brush here by Morphe. I'm going to go in with this little brown colour right on the end called OUD. I don't know why it's called that, but I'm going to pack that like on the bottom. And then with the brush that I was using for Twilight before I use my finger, I'm just going to pat that down just because I don't want much stuff to move. So I'm going to do like the rest of my other eye off camera and then I'll be back. So these are the eyes, and I will do the under eyes a little bit later in the video. So I'm going to go in and do my face now. The primer I'm using for my face is the Australis primer, the original. Put that all over. Okay, so primer's on, and now I'm going to do the foundation. So foundation I'm using for today is the Maybelline New York Superstay 24-Hour Long Wear Foundation in the shade 32 Golden. So I'm going to dampen my beauty blender a little bit, and I'm going to go in with the foundation. So I'm going to watch out for the eyeshadow because I don't want to mess that up. So foundation's on. What I'm using is Kat Von D in the shade L13 Cool. I'm going to put that where I need to, under the eyes. I'm going to blend that out, like that. And just like okay, so that's the concealer done. Now I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And bake under there. Look a little weird. So we're going to leave that on for a couple of minutes, and while I am waiting, I'm going to go in and set the rest of my face, like my cheeks and a bit of my forehead, with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. A little bit. I'm going to blend it down my neck as well. Powder's all done, and then I'm going to go and put some under eye eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with the blazing colour that I used on the top. I need a different brush. Guess I'll just have to put up with it. And now I'm going to go in with Twilight. So I'm going to use the tip of this brush and go in with Twilight, the glitter colour I've got on my lid. Put it on the inner V, like under there, under eye, inner V. Kind of blend the two under eye colours together. I'm going to go back in with that brown colour, and then I'm going to do the other eye. So I've done the under eye off camera, and I'm going to now go in with some mascara. I don't have false lashes to do to finish off the look because I've ordered some online, they haven't came yet. So I'm just going to use the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel Lashes. So I don't think this is going to be as intense as what it would be with false lashes, but it makes the lashes look good. The under eye. Okay, so that's the mascara done. And I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera so I can make this video shorter. So brows are done, and I'm going to do bronzer now. And the bronzer I'm using is Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. So it looks like this, my go-to high-end bronzer. And it smells so good. Okay, so bronzer's done, and now I'm going to do my favourite bit, which is highlights. And the highlight palette I'm using is Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the Ultimate Glow. And the highlight I will use is this middle one on the top called White Sand. My fan brush, the Zoeva Luxe Fan 129. I think I'm gonna spritz some spray on. Some on my nose. So now I'm going to set my face, and then I'll do lips. And the setting spray I'll be using is the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Mist. So the main point of the video was to review the Huda Beauty palette, and I've also bought this lipstick from Sephora. So it's a Sephora Collection Lip Stories in the shade Labyrinth City. And it looks like this. So I'll put that on my lips now. So I do really like this lip colour, and it's really creamy, and for Sephora, like, it's the Sephora collection, so for like the Sephora collection it's pretty good, and it's retailed for $13. Probably not the best colour for the look I did on my eyes, but that's okay. But I really like it. It's got a little bit of shimmers in it, and it doesn't feel heavy on the lips, and I will use this like in other looks. This is the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making the video. So overall, all my thoughts on the products I use that are new. The Huda Beauty palette is so good. It is really expensive, but it's so worth your money. And the lipstick that I've got on my lips is so creamy and affordable, and they have a bunch of different shades, so I'm going to probably invest in getting more shades. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.
I'll be with you.